Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in your trigonometry, heights and distances. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. See friends, this is the tower and this is the building. Friends, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. And here our question is what is the height of the building? See, the height of the tower is given 60 meters. Friends, first let us consider this triangle, ABC triangle. From this triangle we can find BC. And after that from the triangle DBC we can find the height of the building. Friends, in triangle ABC, cot 60, cot is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. BC by opposite side 60. So friends, BC is equal to 60 into cot 60. 60 into cot 60, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. This is equal to 20 root 3. 20 root 3. Friends, 60 means 20 into root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So 20 root 3 remains. BC is equal to 20 root 3. So friends, BC is equal to 20 root 3. Now let us consider the triangle DBC. Friends, in triangle DBC, tan 30 is equal to opposite side, that is height of the building, h, by adjacent side BC. BC is equal to 20 root 3. Friends, tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 20 root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. So height of the building is equal to 20, friends. H is equal to 20 meters. Thank you.